Today, I'm going to teach you how to reset your Jotform password. Whether you've forgotten your password or just want to update it for security reasons, this process is quick and straightforward. Also, if you're interested in business tools that could improve your workflow, I've dropped a few links in the description down below. First, open your web browser and navigate to jotform.com. This takes you to the Jotform homepage where you'll find all the login options. Once you're there, look toward the upper right corner of the page where you'll see the login button. Go ahead and click on it to proceed to the login screen. Now you'll be on the login page where you'd normally enter your credentials. Instead of typing your password, type in your email address or username in the first field. This helps Jotform identify your account. Right below the password field, you'll notice a link that says Forgot Password. Click on that link and this will redirect you to the password recovery page. On the password recovery page, you'll see a button labeled Send Reset Instructions. Click this button to trigger Jotform to send you an email with the instructions to reset your password. The system will now process your request and send the email to the address associated with your account, so just give it a moment. Next, open your email inbox. Sometimes these emails can take a minute or two to arrive, so be patient. If you don't see it in your main inbox right away, make sure to check your spam or junk folder as password reset emails occasionally end up there. Once you locate the email from Jotform, go ahead and open it. Inside the email, you'll find a button or link that says Reset Password. Click on this link and it will take you to a secure page where you can create your new password. This link is typically time sensitive, so it's best to complete this step as soon as possible. On the password reset page, you'll see two fields. In the first field, type your new password. Make sure to choose something secure and memorable. Then, in the second field, type the same password again to confirm it. This double entry ensures you haven't made any typos and that your password is exactly what you intended. Finally, click the button labeled Create a New Password. Jotform will process your new password and apply it to your account. Once this is complete, you'll be able to log in using your new credentials and your account will be secure again. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.